Unlocking your card on Telefonica in 2026 can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Access the Telefonica app. Download and install the Telefonica app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account or settings section in the app. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Step 3. Find card management. In the account settings, locate the card management or payment methods option. This section will allow you to manage your cards linked to your account. Step 4. Select the locked card. In the card management section, find a card that is currently locked. There should be an option to view the status of your cards. Step 5. Unlock the card. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, your card should be successfully unlocked. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Telefonica customer support for assistance.